This is the Cadillac One. The armor plating seems intact, despite the years of neglect.
These are the titles and the bill of sale for the limousine. Everything is signed and ready for transfer.
Yes, that looks about right. A true classic.
Now that the wiring is sorted, we can secure the main console fascia. Ensure it aligns properly, then it should click right into place.
Well, Rory, it looks complicated, but trust me, I've rebuilt these dashboards blindfolded. The schematic confirms the dimensions for the modification. We should start prepping the chassis reinforcements here.
I agree. I'll have the team begin cutting the new...
Yes, I have the designs right here. We should be able to start disassembly on the chassis this afternoon.
I understand you're at the warehouse now. Is the shipment ready for pickup?
Yes, Admiral. We're running final checks now. It will be ready.
These are the blueprints. I need you to review Section 3 immediately and report any conflicts.
If we reroute the primary conduit through this section, we save 3 days on the
The structural integrity relies heavily on this junction point. We need to ensure the tolerances are exact before we proceed with the...
If this sequence represents the build date, then this number must be the chassis code. And this confirms the
markings detail the modifications. They weren't building a car, they were building an escape.
Gentlemen, this is the future of the fleet, the Cadillac One. Our task is the final integration of the security system. I know this is a tight deadline, gentlemen, but I am confident we can optimize this assembly line without sacrificing quality. As you can see behind me, the next generation of the Cadillac One is ready for production. It's the safest vehicle we've ever... This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of American engineering. We are incredibly proud of the work done here. Now that the Cadillac One is ready, I was thinking we take it out for a proper shakedown. A little road trip.
Absolutely. We are ready to move forward with production.
Surrounded by the rugged beauty of the landscape, the Cadillac One provides an impenetrable shield for Alex and Rory on this winding.
The open road awaits. And inside the cabin, every detail is crafted for your journey.